Good morning, everybody. Yes, I think others are still sleeping. I don't know why they are not joining. Okay, anyway, can somebody tell me in a brief what did we do in the previous session? And I hope you are working on your assignments. Have you started working on your assignment? Then nobody responds me. Alish, is Alish present in the class? I'm also taking the attendance. Darshit, Darshit, are you there? So in the previous session, we learned how to make a telephonic conversation. What are the phrases that are useful in telephonic conversation? And also, I had given you the assignment for writing dialogues. How many of you have completed your assignment? I had asked you to complete by next Monday. Today is the Monday. How many of you have completed your assignment? Vivek Shah, very nice. Anyone else? Okay. Or some people have not submitted in the classroom. Very nice. So let me see one by one what you have done. Now we have Karan. Is Karan there? Okay, I'm taking attendance and then I will not entertain any numbers. Okay. Alish absent. Drashti absent. Karan absent. Pavan, Vaibhav, Paras, Vasu, Paras, Harsh Kumar, Kenil, Kevin.
Present, ma'am.
Kevin, have you done your assignment? You had got situation number 7.
No,
Have you
ma'am.
completed it?
No, I haven't. I'm sorry.
Pardon?
Sorry, what?
Have you completed the situation given to you? You had
Not yet.
situation number 7. Have you worked on it?
Eh,
Yes, I remember, but I haven't done it yet. Sorry.
See, this is your CSC assignment. If you cannot do, this is not going to work. You will not clear the subject.
Yes, I know. I'm sorry.
Joy, Jay, Devansh, Vasav, Isha,
Yes,
Meet.
ma'am.
Okay, Isha has done. Isha, have you done the situation? Worked on the
Yes, ma'am.
dialogue?
Yes.
Oh, very nice. Can you read it here aloud for all of us? Situation first and then the dialogues. Isha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please read your situation first and then read the dialogues.
Uh, Sorry, ma'am. અત્યારે નહીં.
Mm-hmm. Isha, I'm not able to hear what are you saying. Okay, you can't. Why? Nobody does the work, then how am I supposed to take your classes and move forward? Meet. Meet Soratia. Yash. Ria. Ria Pipalia. Hetvi. Akash.
Yes,
Dhruvi.
ma'am, done. Yes, ma'am,
Akash.
done.
Akash
Yes,
is
ma'am.
done. You had been given situation number one. Have you completed?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Can you read it aloud? Read the situation first and then your dialogues.
Ma'am, can I do it for later?
See, not many students have done, so later is not going to work. Either you do it now or not.
Uh, okay. So I have to do what? I have to read all the dialogues and situations.
Yeah. First, you read the situation. Your situation was number one. So read the situation number one, and then read the dialogues.
Okay.
This is your
Okay.
CSE assignment, and I'll give you marks based on this.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. So may I start?
Yes.
Situation one. 1A, you need to telephone your doctor. You have an appointment on Tuesday, the 3rd at 16:45, but you need to change it to Thursday, the 5th at 15:00. And on Monday, 9th, you are busy all day, but Tuesday, 10th, you will have a free day. Telephone the doctor's clinic and speak to the receptionist and make a new appointment. 1B, you are the receptionist at medical center, the doctor's clinic. You have no free appointments on Thursday. Fifth, as the doctor will be away that on that day. The next day the doctor is free is Monday 9th. Answer the telephone and help the patient make a new appointment.
Very nice.
Okay. Ma'am. And now dialogues.
Yes.
Call dial to the receptionist from the patient. 1A. Patient. Hello, I am Pratik Desai. Receptionist. Yes, how may I help you, sir? Patient, I want to change my appointment with the Dr. Shah. Receptionist, will you provide me a registration number for verification proceedings? Patient, yes, sir, sure. Please note it 234589. Receptionist, Yes, sir. Your registration is verified by the name of the Pratik Desai, and you hold the appointment with the Dr. Shah on Tuesday, 3rd May, 16:45 p.m. Patient. Yes, exactly. But actually, I would like to request. Can you please change the appointment request? Can you please change the appointment timing and date, as I am not available on the day, so I need you to reschedule it on Thursday, 5th at 15 p.m. 1B. Receptionist. Yes, sir. Please wait for a while. I will check the availability of appointments and will inform you. Patient. Yes, sir. Yes, sure. Receptionist. Sir, sorry to say, but on that day, Mr. Shah is not available on Thursday, so I won't be able to reschedule it. Patient. Oh, okay. So, can I get another appointment? Receptionist. Wait, the another appointment can be arranged on 9th. Will be it okay for you? Patient. Okay, well, I have no problem. Please book that appointment. Receptionist. Yes, sir. Yes, sure. I am booking your appointment as sir. Your registration number is 12374. Now onwards, please take note of it. Patient. Thank you for the cooperation. Receptionist. Yes, sir. Thank you. Have a nice day. The telephonic conversation gets end.
Very nice. The telephonic conversation ends. Apart from just one or two grammatical errors, that also I feel you have not made it. You have just read it and misread it. There are not even errors. Nicely justified the situation. Very much appropriate dialogues. Very nice. Very nice. You are Akash Dami, right? Damin. Okay. Next is
Yes, ma'am.
Dhruvi Kumar. Dhruvi, have you done the
Yes, ma'am.
dialogue? Read
Yeah.
the dialogue and the situation both.
Okay, ma'am. 8A. You meet someone new in your class. You want to invite your new friend out for a coffee on Saturday. Telephone your friend and make a date. 8B. You meet someone in your class but you did not really like them very much and you do not want to be with them outside the class. Answer the telephone and try to be polite but say no.
Okay.
Daisy. Hello, is the Fusy speaking? Fusy. Yes, who is this? Daisy. I am Daisy, your classmate. Fusy. Oh, Daisy, how can I help you? Daisy. Can we become friends? Fusy. Yeah, we are already friends. Daisy. Oh, thank you. Fusy. Do you want to ask me something? Daisy. Yeah, are you free on Saturday? Fusy. Yes, I am free on Saturday. But why you are asking? Daisy. Because I am free on Saturday, so I thought of asking you for a coffee and chill out a day. Fusy. Oh, okay, Daisy. So if don't mind, can we go for a coffee? Fusy. Yeah, of course. Why not? Daisy. Oh, thank you, Fusy. But where we go out for a coffee? Daisy. I think we should go of cafe coffee shop. That is a very nice coffee shop. Fusy. Okay, but there is a one problem. Daisy. What problem? Fusy. Now I suddenly remembered that I have already planned with my family for day out on Saturday. Daisy. Oh, Fusy. I am so sorry. I cannot come with you on Saturday. Daisy. It's okay, no problem, Fusy. But thank you so much for inviting me. Daisy. Okay, never mind. Fusy. Keep it for next time. Daisy. Sure. Okay, then bye. Take care. Fusy. Take care. Bye.
Very nice. Thank you so much.
Welcome, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you for reading it. There are no errors. You also very well justified the situation. Great. Now we have Sanket. Sanket, are you there? Then we have Vidhi. Vidhi Vadgama. Harshit Alpesh, Harvijay Singh, Vivek Shah, Eshwa, Akash.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is this?
Vivek Shah.
Vivek, have you completed the situation number 12?
Ye- No, ma'am. I was given situation number 8, I think so.
Okay, here it is written 12. You have prepared on 8?
Yes.
Okay, just read it aloud, situation and dialogues both.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. One second. 8A. Situation number 8A. You met someone new in your class. You want to invite your new friend out for a coffee on Saturday. Telephone your friend and make a date. 8B. You met someone in your class, but you don't really like them very much, and you don't want to be with them outside the class. Answer the telephone. Try to polite, but say no.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay,
Vivek.
start reading.
Yes, yes. Hello, this is Neville speaking. Yes, who is this? I am Vivek, your classmate. Oh, Vivek, do you need any help from me? Would you like to have a coffee with me on Saturday? I am extremely sorry. I am very busy on Saturday. By the way, thank you so much for inviting. Okay, no problem. Neville, next time for sure. Okay, then bye.
Actually, dialogue is appropriate, but conversation is little shorter. You could have made it little long. Okay,
Hmm.
so it's very short dialogues and ends abruptly the conversation. So I suggest if you would have made little more dialogues, it would have been better. No problem. Anyway, you did the work. That's good thing. Akash, Parth, Poker, Neville.
Yes, ma'am.
Neville, have you read the conversation?
No, ma'am.
Made the conversation? It was number 3.
Yes, ma'am. I have written. I already submitted.
You have written? Yeah. Please read them aloud.
Okay, ma'am. 3A. You need you need to telephone a flower shop and order some flower from friend who are having a 20th wedding anniversary. They love red roses. You want the flower to be delivered to their home tomorrow. Situation 3B. You work at a blooming wonderful the flower shop. One of your service is delivered of flowers ordered by telephone.
Okay. Read the
Uh,
conversation now.
okay. Meet. Hello. Is this the ABC flower shop? Raj. Yes. How may I help you? Meet. I would like to purchase a bouquet. Raj. Which kind of bouquet would you like to purchase? Meet. I would like to purchase one big size bouquet of red roses for my friend's wedding 20th wedding anniversary. Raj. Would you like to add message for in bouquet? Meet. Yes, of course. I would like to add greetings. Raj. Would you like anything else? Meet. No thanks. Can I get a delivery by today? Raj. Sure, sir. It will be delivered. Could you please send me your home address and the detail of the congratulation message? Meet. Sure. Raj. Thank you for shopping from our shop.
Very nice. Thank you so much for reading them and doing the assignment. Nicely done. Great work. Next is Komal Ramani.
Yes, ma'am.
Komal, have you completed
Yes,
the
ma'am.
work?
I have. Yes.
What was the situation?
Situation 3.
Okay. Please read aloud the dialogues. Okay. Yes.
Dialogue or situation?
Both.
Okay, 3A. You need to telephone a flower shop and order some flowers for friends who are having their 20th wedding anniversary. They love red roses. You want the flowers to be delivered to their house tomorrow. Telephone the shop and order the flowers. Don't forget to include a message saying congratulations. Customer, hello, am I speaking with respective of Green Blossom shop? Respective, yes. How may I help? Customer, may I have some fresh flowers? Representative, yes. Which type of flowers do you want, like tulip, rose, and many more? Customer, okay, you have such a nice collection of flowers, but I want that kind of flowers which I can give to a couple on their anniversary. Representative, yes, sure. I suggest you to buy some red roses. Customer, thank you. I think you are right. But I have one question. Can you please deliver these roses to my friend's house? Representative, yes, why not? Kindly send me the address of your friend's house. Customer, thank you. Representative, how did you want to be deliver roses to your friend's house, like bouquet or separate flowers? Customer, please deliver the bouquet, and one more request. Can you please attach the greeting card with it and deliver by tomorrow? Representative, yes. Kindly share the address. Customer, XYZ Road and City. Kindly mail the bill with me. Representative, yes, sure. Thank you. Customer, thank you.
Very nice. Thank you so much actually for preparing nice conversation. Enough dialogues and nice language is also good. Komal, wonderful. Okay. Then we have Janish, Yogiraj Singh, Naitik, Chirag, Vatsal, Kishan, Vivek, Yash, Janki, Vishal. Who is this? Vishal Lalwani, Kashyap, Abhishek Kumar, Hardik, Raj, Dhruva, Yash, Sagar, Prince, Baudik, Neha, Dharmik, Mahipal Singh, Chirag, Rohan, Preet, Meet, Ahan.
Yes, ma'am.
Ahan, have you prepared the dialogues?
I am Meet Suratia.
Meet, your situation was number 7. Have you prepared the dialogues?
Yes,
Meet,
ma'am.
I'm asking you. Can you read them aloud?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please unmute your mic. Read your dialogues loudly. First read the situation, then read the dialogues.
मैम मेरी तो सिचुएशन 5 थी.
Yes.
मीत सोरठिया.
Yes, meet.
5 ही है ना?
તમારે situation, this is meet, different meet. તમારી situation છે. Just a minute. Meet સોરઠિયા છે 5.
5 A ને B છે.
Yes.
Can I read?
Yes.
Situation 5 A. You need to find out what the homework was from your last English class as you missed it. Telephone your friend Joy and ask him to tell you about the class you missed and the homework. Can I start dialogue?
Yes.
Meet. Hello, Joy. Joy. Yes, Meet. Meet.
Hmm.
How are you? Joy. I am fine. What about you? Meet. I am also fine. Yesterday I was sick, so that I couldn't attend English class. Joy. Yes, I knew it. You were not attending last English class. Meet. So would you like to give me your yesterday's English class homework? Joy. Oh sure, why not? I don't have any problem. Meet. Thank you for giving me your homework. Tonight at 9 o'clock I will call you so that you can give me more information about yesterday's English class. Joy. Okay, no problem. You can call me at any time. Meet. Thank you so much. Joy. Welcome. Meet. Bye. Take care of yourself. Joy. Bye. You also take care of yourself. Done, ma'am.
Very nice. There were a couple of errors. Other than that, it was fine. The errors like, yes, I noticed you did not attend previous English class, right? That way. So, but anyway, you tried making the dialogue and it is a good thing. Thank you for reading them and doing them on the time. Sorry, on time. Now
Okay,
we
ma'am.
have, yes, Ahan, Pooja, Om Korat, and Mayank Mehta. Nobody is there? Okay. So
Yes,
there are
ma'am.
very
Mehta is here.
Mayank Mehta there. Mayank, have you read the situation number 7 was given to you? Did you write the
Yes,
dialogues?
yes, ma'am.
Please read the situation first and then read the dialogues out loudly.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, situation both 7A and 7B.
Yes, beta.
7A, you want to stay at the Spring Waters Hotel in the Hawaii for your next holiday. Before you make a booking, you want to ask the hotel for some information. You need to find out these things. Are pets okay? Is there a special prize for families? What sports can you play? Is the weather good in September? Telephone the hotel to find out the answer your questions. 7B. You work in the reception of the Spring Water Hotel in Hawaii. You answer telephone inquiries from clients about the hotel. Answer the telephone. You need the following info. No pets are allowed. There are special family discount prices. You have football, swimming, tennis, and water sports. The weather in September is warm but windy. And conversation, ma'am, now.
Yes, yes.
Customer, hello, receptionist. Spring Waters Hotel. How can I help you? Customer, I am planning to stay next week holidays over there, so I have some questions to ask. Receptionist, okay, what are your questions? I make you help as I can do. Possible I can do. Customer, pets are okay to bring with us. Receptionist, sorry for your inconvenience, but pets are not allowed. Customer, okay, no problem. Is there any special offer or for families? Receptionist, yes, we have special villa for families, and now for early booking 35% off offer is going on. Customer, okay, great. Is there any facilities for any sports? Receptionist, yes, we have area to play football, tennis, also swimming pool and water slides. Customer, I am planning to come near about September, so how the weather will be there? Receptionist, weather is quite warm but windy, so you will enjoy. Customer, as soon as our class has been decided, we will back to you. Receptionist, okay, thank you.
Very nice, man. Nicely justified, though it was a very difficult situation. You justified it nicely. Very nice. And thank you so much for doing it on time. Now, the others who have not not completed. There are so many people who don't have even taken the situation. For them, I request just go to Google Classroom, download the PDF which is there in assignment number 1, and then please fill up, like, write the conversation and submit it, right? And in the next session, which is tomorrow, I think tomorrow is, tomorrow I have again one more lecture, yes. Tomorrow morning, those who have not yet completed, I will take their assignment tomorrow morning. After tomorrow, if you give me the assignment, you will not, I will not submit, consider it, or else I'll just give you minimum marks. So today I have given very good marks to everybody, those who have read the situation. Again, tomorrow I'll continue to give marks. Now, after tomorrow, I will give you one more assignment. And then we have moved on to the next assignment. So, previous assignment, ma'am, I have submitted. Janki, what is your number?
266.
2? Janki, what is your number?
266, ma'am.
266. Yes, Janki Sudani. Janki, yours is also situation number 7. Just read them, but before that, I want to complete this instruction. See, if you do not do your assignment, meet them kya rahe Akash Tamari? Okay, so if you do not submit your assignment, I don't think you will get marks. That's okay. 70 plus start time. Meet some pachi nahi rakhu. Tomorrow is the last lecture for this assignment. Those who don't submit will not get enough marks. I'll just give you minimum marks after that. Yes, Janki? Acha, next assignment matter. With that we'll see. But we don't have that much time then. Okay, Janki, please read the situation and conversation both.
Okay, ma'am. Then set in situation 7A, you want to set at the Spring Waters Hotel in Hawaii for your next holiday. Before you make a booking, you want to ask the hotel for some information. You need to find out these things. Are pets okay? Is there a special price for families? What sports can you play? Is the weather good in September? And 7B, you work in the reception of the Spring Waters Hotel in Hawaii. You answer telephone inquiries for clients about the hotel. Answer the telephone, you need the following information. No pets are allowed. There are special family discount price. You have football, swimming, tennis, and water sports. The weather in September is warm but windy. Receptionist, good morning. How can I help you? Guest, good morning. Are pets okay? Receptionist, no, sorry, ma'am, but not allowed pets in water. Guest, is there special price for families? Receptionist, yes, ma'am, 35% price discount for families. Guest, what sports can you play? Receptionist, yeah, of course, swimming pool, badminton, many indoor games provides for family. Guest, is the weather good in September? Receptionist, yes, weather are very beautiful in nature in September. So don't worry, I enjoy your trip. Yes. Okay, thank you so much. Receptionist, hello sir, may I help you? Client, are pets okay in hotel? Receptionist, no sorry. No sorry sir, but pets are not allowed. Client, is there a special discount for family? Receptionist, yes, there are special family discounts price. Client, what we will get to play there? Receptionist, you have football, swimming, tennis, and water sports. Client, is their weather good in September? Receptionist, good, but their weather in September is warm but windy. Client, okay, thank you for the information.
Very nice. Thank you for justifying the situation, Janki. Thank you for even letting me know that you have to read your dialogues, right? and thank you so much. Conversation is good. There are no errors, almost one or two, yes, minor grammatical errors. Other than that, things are fine, very nice. Okay, class, that's all for the day. We'll call it a day. And yes, I'm making you free early because now nobody wants to read. Is there anybody who would like to still read the situation? Read the dialogues? Those who have not completed, use this 10-15 minutes also and start doing it right away. Okay? If you do not have any question, then you may leave this session now. I've taken your attendance while taking everybody's name. So, Kevin, you don't type attendance here. I've already taken everybody's attendance. Okay, so that's all for the day. Thank you for joining the session. Because I was taking everybody's name one by one, many people did not give attendance. I am not going to consider any number you type here because I've already taken the attendance, I told you. Okay, thank you for joining the session. Tomorrow, please submit your assignment. Jai, have you done the assignment? I'm not going to consider any enrollment number typed here. Whatever, Karan, anybody, if you are present, not present, that's not my lookout. Because when I was taking the attendance, nobody even bothered to respond to me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, but
Ma'am, I'm not still added to the classroom. How can I submit my assignment?
oh my God. Sakina.
Yes, ma'am. I also texted you.
Acha, I said give me 5 minutes. That one?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I have added you, dear.
No, ma'am. I didn't receive any Gmail.
I immediately added you.
Ma'am, I'm not able to still see the PDF or your class.
Just a minute. Sakina. What is your enrollment number?
Shall I type it because it's different? 92020424010. 4010 is the last one.
Oh, 4010. You have a different series, you mean to say?
Yes, ma'am. It's not started with 92000. It's from 92020.
Then you are not there in the list only, probably.
Ma'am, but I have also given attendance like
I
past few
know.
lectures too. You have my name in that workplace.
Am I pronouncing your name in where I take attendance? Today did I speak your name?
No, ma'am. Today even you didn't speak my name.
Yeah, because you are not there in my class.
But ma'am, I have given my attendance in last few lectures too, in previous lectures.
I know.
Actually, I was not able to do the previous lecture. That's why I didn't know about the assignment. So that's why I texted you.
No, but my point is, you are in BBA only or you are in some other class?
No, I am BBA.
Please type your entire enrollment number. Whoever is typing the numbers, be sure I'm not taking this attendance. I have taken attendance once and it is done. Can I please type your enrollment number?
Ma'am, I have typed in chat box. You can see that.
Yes. And again, your enter email ID. Please type here. No, I have it. Don't worry. Don't type. That's correct, right?
Yes, ma'am, it's correct.
What about the rest of the students? Why you are still here? Sakina, did you receive the message, invitation email?
Yes, ma'am. Now I received the message.
Okay, done. Okay. Okay, thank you everybody. Raj, Meet, Mayank, kindly leave the session. Rohan, Neha. Neha, do you have anything to ask to me? Okay, everybody. Thank you for the joining. Raj, do you have anything to ask me?